Playtime inside the Borseth family home doesn't look or sound any less joyful than most other basements filled with children. But for 10-year-old Wayne over there, life did not begin so carefree.
Well, from the beginning, I gave him over to surgery when he was a week old. That was so hard.
Wayne was born with a genetic abnormality, which caused a number of problems from day one.
When he was a week old, he had a craniotomy, surgery on his skull at about 5 months. He's had a G-tube put in because lack of intake of calorie. He wasn't growing.
Facing a very uncertain future, Wayne and his parents, Tim and Kristen, spent most of their early days here at Mercy Children's Center in Des Moines.
When we go into the doctor's office, they know who he is. They say his name, they're happy to see him, they give him hugs.
People with a passion for working with children and their families under often very difficult circumstances. Passion for the well-being of children is at the core of why many healthcare professionals at Mercy Medical Center choose pediatrics as a specialty. One of those professionals is Dr. John Logier.
When you're in med school, you're trying to figure out, who you are and what things you really like. And then for some reason, just when we were learning the basics of all the organ systems in medical school, cardiology just stuck with me. It all made sense.
Fortunately for Mercy, it did. Dr. Logier is an interventional pediatric cardiologist at Mercy, a specialty so rare there are only a handful of such skilled physicians in the Midwest.
In pediatric cardiology, the patient population is small to begin with, and then the need for interventional procedures is probably smaller than in adult cardiology.
But when a need arises, as was the case with Wayne, having a physician with Dr. Logier's skills in our own community is imperative.
When a patient needs it, they need it, and there's only a few places to find it.
Specialized training is one thing, access to state-of-the-art pediatric equipment is another. That's why Variety is an invaluable partner to Mercy Medical Center. From the cath lab to heart monitors to pediatric surgical tools, Variety has helped fund state-of-the-art equipment to deliver less invasive and high-quality health care to Mercy's smallest patients. The most recent equipment funded through Variety's grant program is called the Intercardio Echo, or ICE for short.
And this intracardiac echocardiography is kind of a next step for us and should open a few more doors for us that we're really excited about.
The ICE is a small catheter fitted with a tiny camera on one end, providing detailed real-time images of a child's beating heart to the doctors and nurses in the treatment room.
When we've got a small catheter like this in a very small baby can actually go down in the esophagus of the baby and act just like that catheter. And then once we get this inside the heart, we can actually take very high quality pictures of the heart with ultrasound from within the heart itself, and that's what we're seeing here. This is showing that the probe here is inside a patient's heart, and it's showing one of the valves and the flow across that valve.
It's sophisticated technology providing a roadmap to repair holes in the heart, hearts like Wayne's, more quickly and less invasively, so Wayne and others like him can get back to important things, like playing with friends and family.
Where I was doing my training, we were considered a major national center in pediatric cardiology, and we were just getting into thinking about this when I was in my last year there. And so, that puts us here at Mercy on that same level as some of those major national centers in terms of having this equipment and being able to offer patients the benefits of this equipment.
State-of-the-art equipment provided by Variety and the highly specialized professionals at Mercy. It's a combination that earns the trust of parents like Kristen and Tim.
It's very reassuring to know that, they're using the technology that's out there.
And the gratitude of even the youngest patients like Wayne.
Thank you.